What if one simple tool could turn frustrating photo edits into smooth, stress-free creativity? Today, I'm breaking down the top 6 mouse options that truly change precision, comfort, and control for editors at every level. Welcome back to the channel. Stick around, compare smartly, and grab the right pick through the links below for confident, worry-free editing. At number 6 is Logitech MX. What if one mouse could turn frustration in photo editing into pure flow? Sounds bold, right? The Logitech MX Master 3S for Mac does exactly that, solving the biggest pain creatives face: inconsistent control and hand fatigue. From the moment you touch it, the ergonomic shape feels tested for real editing sessions, giving relief and confidence during long hours in Lightroom or Photoshop. The 8,000 dots per inch track-on-glass sensor delivers pixel-perfect accuracy, something many others struggle to match, while the near-silent clicks bring peace of mind in focused workspaces. As compared with others, scrolling here feels faster, smarter, and more precise, making timeline adjustments effortless. At $99.99, it is not cheap, but for serious editors chasing comfort, control, and reliability, this feels like a smart, safe buy. We recommend tools that truly earn their place. This one does. On number 5 is Logitech G305. What if a lightweight wireless mouse could quietly fix the biggest headache in photo editing: uneven precision and shaky control? The Logitech G305 steps in with confidence, turning chaos into calm the moment you start editing. Before buying, most creators fear lag, battery anxiety, or hand strain, but this mouse solves it with a 12,000 dots per inch Hero optical sensor that feels sharp and reassuring, tested for real editing comfort. The 1 millisecond wireless response brings relief when making fine adjustments, while the simple shape feels safe during long sessions. As compared with others, it trades premium extras for pure accuracy and stamina, lasting up to 250 hours. At $49.99, it is a smart choice for budget-focused editors who value precision over luxury, but power users wanting advanced scroll control may look elsewhere. At number 4 is XBG B15pro. What if a $25.99 mouse could remove the stress most editors feel before even starting a session? The XBG B15pro quietly answers that doubt by fixing 2 real problems: device switching chaos and hand fatigue. Right away, the tri-mode wireless connection feels reassuring, letting you move between screens smoothly, and that brings instant peace of mind. The built-in display adds a sense of control, so you always feel safe knowing your dots per inch level and battery status. As compared with others, it focuses more on everyday precision and comfort than flashy extras, which many photo editors actually need. The silent clicks create relief during long edits, though ultra-high-end sensor lovers may want more. For budget-conscious creators, this feels like a smart, calm choice worth trusting. On number 3 is ProtoArc wireless trackball mouse. Have you ever wondered if a mouse could completely change your editing flow and actually make long sessions feel easier? The ProtoArc wireless trackball mouse does just that by tackling the 2 biggest struggles creators face: wrist strain and cursor control during intricate adjustments in photo work. The first moment you use the adjustable hinge, it feels like a tailored tool, tested for real-world comfort as your thumb glides the cursor instead of moving your whole arm. And that's where relief hits hard. As compared with others, its precision and smooth tracking feel purpose-built for detailed image tweaks, though there's a learning curve at first that might surprise you. The silent clicks and multi-device connection bring peace of mind. If you want comfort and focus control over speed upgrades, this feels like a smart choice worth trying, but minimal programmable buttons may make power users pause. Curious how it shapes your workflow next? At number 2 is Amazon Basics wireless mouse. Can a $9 mouse really handle serious photo editing, or is that just marketing noise? The Amazon Basics wireless mouse answers that question by solving a real fear buyers have before clicking buy: wasting money on something unreliable. Right away, the stable 2.4 GHz wireless connection feels safe and steady, tested through long editing sessions where cursor skips can ruin fine adjustments. The shape is simple, but tested for real-world comfort, bringing relief during quick retouching and color correction. As compared with others, it skips premium controls yet delivers consistent optical tracking that beginners actually need. The biggest pro is peace of mind at $9.99, while the con is limited customization for advanced workflows. We recommend tools that earn trust, and this is a smart choice for new editors, students, or anyone wanting dependable control without stress. Now moving to the last one is Nulea M501 trackball mouse. What if stopping wrist pain could instantly unlock better precision in your photo edits? Sounds tempting, right? right? The Nulea M501 trackball mouse steps in to solve a common pre-purchase fear, losing control during fine adjustments while suffering hand fatigue. From the first use, the thumb-driven trackball feels reassuring, clearly shaped and tested for real-world comfort, letting your arm relax while your cursor stays steady. The adjustable dots per inch control brings relief when zooming into tiny details, especially on tight desks. As compared with others, this design favors stability and accuracy over speed, which many editors actually prefer. The multi-device wireless freedom adds safety to busy workflows, though the learning curve may test patience early on. At $33.99, this feels like a smart, calm choice for comfort-focused editors, but speed chasers may hesitate. The clear winner is the Logitech MX Master 3S for Mac. If you want true peace of mind while photo editing, this is the one that consistently delivers. It solves the biggest problems editors face: hand fatigue, shaky precision, and slow workflow by combining exceptional comfort with rock-solid control. As compared with others, it feels more refined, more reliable, and more confidence-boosting during long editing sessions. The scroll control, silent clicks, and sensor accuracy create a smooth, almost effortless flow. Yes, it costs more, but for serious editors, this is a smart investment that feels safe, professional, and worth every dollar. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best mouse for photo editing. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.